Here's the tiny Power engine that I bought at Cool Spring Steam Show about 3 weeks ago. It took me that long to order a die to make the steam fitting I needed for the inlet. It was a 5/16 32, which I didn't have. For a name like Tiny Power, you would think this engine was very tiny, but as you can see from the can there, this engine is pretty good sized and quite hefty. Double steel flywheels. It has a feed pump that isn't finished, but the castings are mostly brass. It's a beautiful running engine. The machine work was done quite nicely. We'll give it a try here. Looks like it needs fastened down to something, but it certainly runs smooth. From very slow. Oops. Well, things happen. Okay, I guess we're done with this video.